Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we bring you the best laundry room storage cabinet ideas to transform your laundry space into a functional and stylish oasis. In this video, we will showcase a plethora of storage solutions that will help you keep your laundry room organized and clutter-free while adding a touch of elegance. In which number one is custom built-ins. Explore the wonders of custom-built laundry room storage cabinets that perfectly fit your space and cater to your specific needs. We'll demonstrate how these cabinets offer ample storage for laundry essentials, cleaning supplies, and more, all while optimizing the available space. Number two is wall mounted cabinets. Discover the space saving benefits of wall mounted cabinets that keep the floor clear and create a clean and modern look. We'll showcase various designs and finishes that blend seamlessly with your laundry room decor. Number three is multifunctional cabinets. Embrace the versatility of multifunction storage cabinets that serve as ironing stations, folding tables, and hidden hampers. These clever designs maximize the utility of your laundry room while maintaining an uncluttered appearance. Number four is open shelving. Unleash your creativity with open shelving ideas that allow you to display decorative items and keep frequently used supplies within reach. We'll provide tips on arranging and stylish open shelves to add character and charm to your laundry room.